What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are making the Cutlass a little more cruiser friendly with cup holders. Howdy! So if you own one of these cars, if you own a classic American car older than about 1983, what you probably notice is that you don't have any cup holders. And I don't have great lighting here because it's nighttime right now, but there's a big gaping hole right here where a cup holder could fit. And in my endless pursuit to try to make the Cutlass a little more cruiser friendly and make it a little more livable, I decided that I wanted some cup holders. Now, I can't tell you how many times I've driven my car to work and had a cup of coffee with me. I've had to jam it into a bag so that way it doesn't tip over and get coffee all over the interior, and I haven't always been successful on that. So I found, thanks to a website called cupholdersplus.com, which I think is also known as Classic Consoles, is a complete, ready to go, ready to install cup holder for my car. They do make cup holders for just about any classic vehicle that you can think of. Some of the more popular ones, like they've got Mustang specific ones or Corvette specific ones. So this one is one of the generic ones, but it is called a hump hugger. So basically it sits over the transmission hump and gives you two really nice sized cup holders, and they've got a ton of different colors to choose from. The one I went with is called Ivy Gold. It's the lowrider shorty model, so basically it comes all wrapped up like this. And this is basically what it looks like. So it's got a nice little pocket if you wanted to put some tissues in here, your sunglasses. I'll often hang my garage door opener right here. It's got a nice little flip open pouch here for some other stuff, and two massive cup holders. Now they do offer cup holders in different sizes. One of them, the smaller one, fits only like a small paper coffee cup. These ones, I have a couple of Yetis, so I had to make sure that the cup holders will fit those, and these do. They fit pretty well, actually. These are 100% handmade in the USA, which I thought was really cool. So, and it was a pretty reasonable price. I think this was at 110, 120 bucks, and it absolutely improves the livability of the car. So let's get this installed. So before I start, there are no instructions that come along with this. It seems pretty straightforward, but this is actually going to be a super long, intensive process. It's going to be pretty difficult, so if you are not mechanically inclined, you may want to get a buddy for help. All right, so step one is going to be you want to figure out the orientation for your install. So basically where you're going to be putting the cup holder down. This one, as you can see, basically has a thinner area down here. Basically has a thinner area down here and a wider area up here. The way my transmission tunnel is it sort of goes down on like a triangle, so I'm going to put the thinner area in between the seats right here and leave the thicker area up here. So now that you've got an idea as to where you want to put it, you just want to get your seat belts and anything else out of the way. Make sure it's good and prepared. And then this is the most difficult part of this whole thing. You just put it in. It's literally as easy as that. And so the lighting in here isn't great. Like I said, this is called Ivy Gold. I think the interior color for my seats was antique jade or something like that. So this actually matches a little more closely to my dashboard or even my A-pillars here. I think this was a pretty good color match with what those are. I mean, it definitely doesn't look out of place in the car. It definitely... this is a really high quality piece. Like, it really looks nice. I mean, they've got whatever color, whatever shade. They've got a couple different styles of cup holder too, so if you don't like this one, they've got a ton of options. I mean, very, very diverse, and a pretty quick turnaround for something that's high quality handmade like this. I mean, I ordered mine and got it in a little over 2 weeks, which I thought was pretty good. So now that this is installed, the only thing left to do is test it out. So grab your favorite cup, throw it in there, bam.
that's pretty much it.
So that is going to be it for this video. I was just messing around before when I said this was super difficult. As you can see, it's literally as easy as unwrapping the cup holders from the packaging and installing it in your car. And now you have a high quality, handmade, color matched, functional piece of equipment that makes your car that much cooler. If you like this video, please go ahead and click the like button down below. If you want to keep up with what I'm doing with the car, this car gets better every single video. Please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and make sure you click the notification bell so that way you get notified every time I make a new video. And if you know anybody that likes old cars, likes projects, likes Oldsmobile specifically, please share this video with them. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.